Zimbabwe has over the years ranked poorly when it comes to media and press freedoms. Journalists and human rights defenders have been targeted, harassed and arrested in their line of duty. However, the last 2 years has seen a drastic shift by authorities. Although cases of arrest of journalists have gone down, media watchdogs maintain the Zimbabwean media environment remains restrictive.
The media environment has improved, though not where we want it to be as parliamentarians. But we want our media to be free. And when I say free, we must be able to criticize the government, including the president, including the ministers, including government, including us, members of parliament. The media must be able to scrutinize the work that is being done by the government for the people of this nation.
Censorship remains through some of the legislation we have. For example, we now have the Cyber and Data Protection Act, which criminalizes the transmission of false messages, which, for example, if you're on a WhatsApp group and someone reports you to the police for transmitting false messages, you can end up getting arrested. And there have been 3 or 4 arrests that we've documented also, which then promotes self-censorship in terms of what people can write online, how people express themselves online. We have seen journalists being charged under that law as well, transmitting falsehoods, and that sort of thing promotes self-censorship.
Another piece of legislation used to muzzle freedom of expression is the recently enacted Criminal Law Codification and Reform Amendment Acts, which is widely referred to as the Patriot Act. Activists fear some clauses in the act could be used to imprison journalists covering meetings if authorities deem the meeting's aim is to subvert or overthrow the government. However, authorities believe they are fulfilling their promise to promote media freedoms. They recently approved the principles of a new media practitioners bill.
This is in line with supporting the protection of media practitioners, journalists included. After repealing IPA, Cabinet approved the media practitioners principles, which will go a long way in protecting the media practitioners. This comes at the backdrop of several lobbying groups, which also include ZUJ, MAS, and also in consultation with the Zimbabwe Media Commission. This has been developed in order to support the media profession and also the sector. The bill will professionalize the media practitioners and define media practitioners, which will also allow the independence and co-regulation of media practitioners within the sector.
A professional and independent press is regarded as a vital element of Zimbabwe's aspired democracy. Zimbabwean journalists are hoping for a better working environment that promotes transparency, accountability, access to information, and the right to information. Khumalo, SABC News.